Here's what happened. On April 7, a biotech company in Texas called Colossal Biosciences made a jaw-dropping claim. They have brought back the legendary dire wolf, a massive predator that vanished over 12,000 years ago. They introduced 3 adorable pups, whose howls they say are the first of their kind in 10,000 years. Naturally, the internet went wild. But wait, are these really dire wolves? Let's talk DNA without the headache. DNA is the biological code that makes every creature what it is. Colossal says that dire wolves and modern grey wolves share 99.94% of their DNA. That sounds super close, but even a tiny difference in genetic code can mean big changes. For example, humans and chimps share about 98.8% of DNA, and clearly we are not swinging from the same trees anymore. That 0.06% difference between the wolves, it's 1.47 million DNA letters. That's more than enough to make dire wolves very different from grey wolves. So what did they actually do? Instead of reviving dire wolves from scratch, scientists tweaked the DNA of grey wolves. They made 20 small edits to 14 genes, things that mostly affect looks, size, fur color, maybe a tougher jawline. These pups look like dire wolves, but inside they're still mostly grey wolves, like putting a classic car body on a model engine. But here's the plot twist. A major study in 2021 revealed something surprising. Dire wolves might not have been wolves at all. They were so genetically different that scientists moved them to a whole new category. So now they're called Anocyon dirus, a cousin of wolves but not in the same pack. That means we didn't just lose a wolf, we lost a whole unique kind of animal. And these pups, they are not dead. Now let's see why people are worried. Colossal says they want to save the planet's biodiversity by bringing back lost species like the dire wolf, the dodo, and even the woolly mammoth. It sounds cool, but here's the catch. The world they lived in doesn't exist anymore. Their food sources, habitats, and climates have all changed. Plopping them into today's environment could do more harm than good. And some fear these headline-grabbing resurrections might distract from urgent efforts to save real living endangered animals right now. What should we be focusing on? There's something magical about the idea of hearing a dire wolf howl again. But it's worth asking, are we chasing nostalgia or building a better future? Instead of recreating the past, scientists say we should use this powerful technology to help protect species before they disappear, and to restore ecosystems that are still hanging on. So while those pups might be adorable, and they are, their howls may not be a roar of triumph but a gentle warning. Let's not play God, let's play guardian. And what about dinosaurs? It's tempting to wonder if dire wolves are back, could dinosaurs be next? This dire wolf experiment shows we are inching closer to that kind of possibility and that kind of responsibility. The line between science and science fiction is blurring. The question isn't just about what we can bring back, but what we should, and that answer might shape our future more than our past. Subscribe to this channel to keep receiving crazy updates like this. I will see you again in the next video. Bye for now.